In the frozen silence of winter, deep inside the mountains, a hidden story begins.
This remote forest is home to the Japanese macaque, a species built to survive the harshest cold.
Their presence is written quietly across the snow.
They move together, Plessy, intelligent, social, and alert. Winter forces them to dig deep for survival.
In extreme conditions, instinct guides every meal. Each breath rises into the icy air, proof of life in a frozen world.
But something disturbs the calm.
They sense movement beyond the trees.
A mechanical sound breaks the natural silence.
Industry enters territory once untouched.
Uniformed workers from Ironside factory process step into the snow. The distance between nature and industry begins to close.
Instinct takes over. The troop scatters. Freedom becomes confinement.
A simple mechanism changes everything. Snow falls silently, indifferent to what has happened.
The journey shifts from wilderness to machinery.
More cages.
More movement.
The name is CLE, Inside Factory Process. The doors close. The forest remains behind. The doors close. The forest remains behind. A winter road leads toward an industrial destination.
The storm intensifies, but the truck keeps moving.
A long road separates nature from manufacturing. And ahead stands Inside Factory Process Pequea, where transformation begins.
The seals are intact. We have clearance to proceed with caution. We have the full group accounted for. Move them into holding bay 3.
Acknowledged. Opening the gate now.
You like that, don't you? Nice and clean.
Make sure you get under the arms there.
Okay, he's almost dry now.
Vitals are stable. All right, prepare the transfer cage. All right, last one going in. Door closing now, cycle starting. In Ironside factory process, Japanese macaque hides begin a critical transformation phase, the deep cleaning process. Precision roller systems extract excess moisture while preserving the structural integrity of each Japanese macaque hide. At inside factory process, preparation is not rushed. BBO, it is engineered for precision.
We need to increase the RPM on VAT 3 immediately. I repeat, increase the agitation on VAT 3.
The Q3 targets are aggressive, particularly for line 2.
But are we factoring in the recent material delays?
We've adjusted the forecast, but the goal remains high.
The turbidity levels spiked right here at 2 o'clock.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now.
The conductivity levels are stable across all replicates.
Excellent. That confirms the purification process is working as expected.
Controlled drying ensures balanced texture, preventing cracks or uneven shrinkage.
See zone C there? It needs adjustment. All right, dropping it to 20. Confirm stable.
The finishing department utilizes high-speed buffing rollers to achieve that flawless semi-gloss, a crucial step before the final quality inspection.
Check the dimensions on section 4 of the blueprint.
Looks like we need to cut it slightly wider.
Notice the craftsmanship on the stitching.
It is truly unique. I've never felt anything quite like it.
This leather is incredibly supple, exclusively sourced from Japanese macaques.
The texture is unlike anything I've felt before.